Hi, I'm Esme,
I'm Lauren.
and we're from the Santa Barbara Middle School Teen Press today with
ELLA GRACE HELTON.
Nice to meet you. Well, you were very young. And I understand that you've just dove into like theater and acting really quickly and really young. Would you have time for things like homework or school?
So I do homeschool, which helps a lot with the flexibility. So I can be on an airplane and do my schoolwork. So that makes it easier. And I'm a night owl, so at night is usually when I get to do my schoolwork.
Wow.
Okay. And then our school has a pretty big emphasis on trying a bunch of new things to like learn what you're interested in. And you've done so many different things in the world of film and television. Is there anything that's outside the movie world that you do or are interested in trying?
Oh yes, I love to do pastel artwork and I do ballroom dancing. So I definitely have a lot of creativity and I like to do running 5Ks out on weekends. So in my little schedule, we always find time to fit in all the fun stuff that I love, all the creativity.
That's good.
Awesome. How old were you exactly when you did start acting?
So I started doing musical theater when I was about 2.5, and then by the time I was 3, I had my very first commercial, which was incredible. And from there, I've just been growing with TV shows and movies, and now I'm here at my red carpet.
That's awesome. Well, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
It was really nice talking to you.
We're both theater kids. So.
Yes. Thank you for having me.